Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your computer so you won't need any hosting services because the hosting will be your computer and you won't spend any money for this, and this is useful also for testing other PHP scripts or softwares like WordPress. Okay, so let's get started. First, we're going to search for a software that brings Apache, which is a web server, PHP, and MySQL. For example, this one could be this one server that includes Apache, PHP, and MySQL database. Also PHP and this is a popular tool. Another one is Champ. This is another one. It brings the same PHP, MariaDB, also Apache. And there are other ones like WAMP. This is another one. But at the moment, I prefer to use one which is called Laragon. I think this is what I use. And here it is. You can see it brings Apache, Nginx, MySQL. There is a portable version which brings PHP 5.4, but this is an old PHP version, so we don't need it. We need the latest version, which is PHP A, and this brings this version. Okay, I think we will download the full version. Okay, so we will download it. So we need to wait. Okay, it's downloaded. We can see it here. There it is. So we will install it. Wait a moment. Share the installation. Just follow the instructions. There it is. Just install and wait until it is finished to install. Okay, it's done. Then just run Laragon. Okay, then here we have this window. Then just start all, and you can see Apache is started, MySQL has started as well, and we can for example check here the web. There it is. Laragon has been installed, and it has Apache PHP version 8, which we require, and this is the directory. So once we have the web server, the local web server installed in your computer, now we are ready to install WordPress. So we will go to the page of WordPress. Example. That one. Okay, then go to get WordPress. There it is. This is the latest version, and we are downloaded. Okay, just wait some seconds. Okay, the download is finished. Then just go on to that. uncompress it. Okay, then just we're gonna copy the whole folder here, and we'll go to C folder, Laragon, under BW folder, just paste it. There it is. Okay, it's finished. Now we can install. Just put localhost and WordPress. It's loading. Just wait some seconds. Okay, here we have the installation process has started. And for this we need a database name, which we need to create. So for this case, we need to go to Laragon, then go to database. Here we have, I will access to here. Then we have this one Windows, which manage the database, which is Heidi. And now we can create the database. In this case, I will put WordPress test. That's it. Okay. And then I will put our database name, which is that. Then the username. This is the default username. Okay, all is good. Then submit. Then run the installation. Okay, I'm gonna put the credentials. Okay, run the installation. There it is. Login. There it is. We have the WordPress installed. You can see all is working fine. Okay. There it is. Now you have WordPress on your computer, and then you can test any plugin or theme or your site, and it's free. Thank you for your attention.